at the steel wire product workshop. Here is our raw material, steel wire raw material. And this part is our steel wire cutting process. And this part is for snake wire cutting. These machines are all automatic and new purchased for this new factory. So you can see that their production speed and the machine situation are very good. We have stopped to use the old cutting machine in our old factory. So all these cutting machines are new purchased for our new factory.